Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Siblings Crafts. In today's video, we're going to be making this. It's called a 1-point perspective art. This is like our Tuesday video on the 2-point perspective art. So if you're into like art pieces, then you should go check that out too. So let's get started.
For this craft, you'll be needing a piece of paper, a pencil, a ruler, a pen, and some colors.
The first thing you need to do is fold your paper in half. Don't crease it down too hard, just lightly. Then open it back up. Flatten it out and using your ruler in exactly the center of the line, draw a circle. Now from the dot, make a line all the way to one corner. And then do the same thing, but this time connect the line to the corner right beside it. So this is going to be our sidewalk, so it needs to be getting bigger the closer it gets to us, which is going to be the bottom of the page. So that is what it should look like. Don't make the lines exactly parallel, make them going further apart from each other. Alright, let's get, Ellie? Hello? I'm gonna need you to go. Oh, you're sleeping? Ah, I see. Okay, Summerine, could you take Ellie and like put her to bed or something?
Yes, I can put her to bed.
Alright then, take her away so we can show them the crafts. Now we're going to be making our first building. So make a straight line from the sidewalk to however tall you want the building to be. Now make another line, but don't make it as tall, like about halfway or something. Now connect the first line to the dot in the center. Every horizontal or diagonal line has to be aligned with the dot. So align it with the dot and then make the line. And now connect the two. You'll be doing this for doors and basically everything else. Lines such as these don't need to be connected to the dot because then that would just look kind of weird. And now you can fill in the rest of the place with some more buildings. Now you can add some personal details like doors, windows, like you can even name the stores if you want. You can also add some details to the road and sidewalk. Now this is just a small start, but once you've added enough detail and you've colored, this will end up looking something like this. It's really colorful. Right? It's got a nice little sunset. And I made a little mistake right there, but that's alright. It's got windows, right? There's construction on the road. It's like Game Shack, grocery store, like anything, everything. We've got tops on houses. We got intricate buildings and windows. Alright guys, so this is the final product. It looks really nice and Yeah, you can add any more details you want. You can make it like a night scene. You can make it less colorful, like a ghost town type of thing, right? Like you can add anything you want to it. So thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you on another Siblings Crafts. Peace.